What is your core business?
My core business is my software. The software helps in managing the subscribers for magazine companies. So you are a magazine company or you are a publisher of magazines, you will have a lot of subscribers, and to manage these subscribers you might be using Excel or you might be using some third-party solutions, but our solution which we are providing is the best. It's the best in the world. It's called Subman V100. The product had been launched more than 5 years back, and right now it's the best in the industry. It can run on the cloud environment, which means the product can run on the internet, and it can also run on a server environment. So if you need a solution based on network environment, we have a solution for that. We also have a solution for the cloud environment.
What are the unique strengths of your company?
The unique strengths of our company is the software. The software is the best in the industry. It handles the subscribers. It manages the members. It can not only handle magazines, it can also handle various other things like membership issues, like online courses, online e-copy books, memberships, societies, and anything online, anything related to membership. That's what the software can handle. So that is the first strength. The second strength is it can handle huge data. Normally, if you take a software, as the data increases, the software can't perform well. But our database, the database which we are using is Oracle database. So as the data increases, we have solutions that the performance remain the optimum. Third strength we have got is we have a complete functional understanding of the requirements for a magazine company. Our software has been used from past 5 years. So naturally, and the product has been in development for more than 10 years. So naturally, we have a full understanding of what a magazine company requires, how a magazine company can improve his subscription, and by using our techniques of managing the members.
What have been the major achievements of your company?
My company has, in India, we have around 5 publishing houses who are using the software. We had the first company, which is called Builders Friend. It's a Lucknow based company. They have been using our software. That was 5 years back. And then we went on, that time we had solutions based for subscription plus advertisement. And then we only focused on subscription. And now we have a solution only for subscription. It's called Subman V100. And earlier we had a solution for advertisement too, and that was called Adman V100. So right now the achievement is some of the top 5 publishing houses in India are using our software, and they are all monopolies in the industry. And we have the other achievements are, that was 2 days back we removed our cloud version. Now the advantage of the cloud version is even small scale magazine companies can use our software. They don't need to invest 5 lakh or 10 lakhs for buying our software. They can buy our software on rent. They don't need to have huge infrastructure while using our software. And technologically, these are our achievements. And even big leaders are using our software right now. And we plan to conquer the full world with our software.
How much strong is your brand?
I can always give my clients' name who are using my software, and they will always vouch for my product. We have always focused on the international market. So the brand is good. With whoever are using our product are always happy. They are the best advertisers for us.
How do you look at the opportunities?
Opportunities are very high, and we would be targeting mostly international markets. Reason is the international companies, most of these bigger companies abroad especially, they have a lot of, they need to spend a lot of money on manpower. Now what happens is, by using our software, the things can be automated. Things will become easier. They can focus on getting new customers, and that's where our opportunity lies on, is targeting the foreign market and getting the customers in our hand.
What would you like to say about quality standards, R&D and innovation?
Our product has come out with 4 versions. If you see 5 years back, we had a product called Mac Max Pro, and we went on innovating it, making it better. And earlier the user interface was not that great. Now the user interface has also improved. The functionality wise it was already strong, and now it has become more strong, and that's it. So we always focus on R&D, quality and everything, and that's the reason we are having features like which no one else offers, like CRM features in a magazine subscription software. It's a very unique product that way.
What would you like to highlight about your team?
My team right now comprises of only one person, but we always focus on getting quality people in our team, and our team would always have the world's best talent around the world will be joining our team. They would be Oracle specialist, they would be Apex specialist. We have our front end which is developed using Apex. Any of the best experts will always be in our team, and they would be either they would be appointed on contract, or maybe as a consultant or as an employee, depending on situation. Right now only we have one employee in our team, but it depends, like if we are able to capture the market, naturally the company has to grow, but the quality of the employee has to be the best. That's the full plan.
What are your expansion plans?
Expansion plans are, we are always focused on the European market. So right now our target is the European market, and let's see what happens.
How do you foresee the future of your company?
Future is always going to be great, because we have right now have a product. We already have a product. Similar product to build would cost any company 40 to 50 lakhs, and we now have a product, and that's it. And we will just sell it to the full world. The full world is our market.
Any other important point you may like to share?
Only thing is, what I can say is, for any magazine companies, if you are a magazine company owner, you might be not using older techniques like using Excel to store your data, and naturally when you are using these techniques, you are losing your members. Why you are losing your members? Because you are not using the right energy to get your things done. Things can be all be automatic by using our software. You just press a button, your dispatch report is ready. You are not able to give proper customer service, so the numbers of subscribers don't increase. So if you use this, if you use our software, you will observe that the number of subscribers start increasing. It becomes very easy to manage, and then your employees can focus on other important tasks like advertisements and sales and all those things. And since information is in your fingertips, you can do a lot of things from this software. So I would request all magazine publishers to have a look, have a use of a software, and benefit your company.
Thank you.